Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince. I'm a full stack developer. I build websites and mobile apps. I come right here and show you guys how to do the same. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you're about to watch. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a military peacekeeping website. I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's get started. So here's the demo as usual, which I just delivered for a client. I'm just going to go ahead and then visit the website and then hit enter, guys. Great guys, here we have the front end of this website. Over here we have the contact us, we have the Google Translator, we have logo, home, care pack, leave application, book flights, medical kit, member ID, and over here we have a slider, and right at the corner we have a chatbot. So I'm just going to scroll down, and here we have leadership. There are 3 basic principles and so on. So this looks like a military peacekeeping website. And over here I have the world class services, member ID, care pack, leave application, and over here we have homecoming, coming home after some years, and over here we have leadership, gym prayer and so on, guys. And over here we have donate to the peacekeeping UN, and we have tell us your story using this contact us form, and over here we have the footer, guys. So right here we have the care pack. I'm just going to click on it, and here's the full description of the care pack. Over here we have an image which shows a care pack, and here we have care pack, thank you for your support, buy now. And so I'm just going to go ahead and then click on this buy now button. I'm just going to click on it, and over here it says enter your US member identification. So here it says enter your member identification. So to be able to view more results of this page, we have to enter our unique identification number. We have the leave application, and this is basically where they can take a leave. You can request that a member should take a leave. So this is for the US leave member application, and over here we have leave application, attention to all participants. There are duration available for a leave, 1 month emergency leave, 2 month emergency leave, and so on. And you can just come over here to go ahead and then apply for a leave for any member who is in the military peacekeeping or so on to take a leave. So guys, here we have the form which can be used to apply for leave, application information and so on, guys. So after this form has been filled, the details of this form will be sent to the admin, and the admin can decide to look into this request and then follow up this request through any way you want to follow it up. So guys, I'm just going to scroll up, and here we have book flights, and under book flight we have book a flight, US member flights, our history and so on, guys, our travel plans, US active duty members, US retired, book a flight now, one-way flights. We also have the round-trip flight. I'll just go ahead and then click on one-way flight, and then also a form will also show up whereby a request for a flight will be submitted. So guys, here we have a form which need to be filled to be able to submit a flight request. So these details also will be sent to the admin, and then the admin can view all these details from his dashboard and then decide to look into it and follow up with the necessary actions. So over here we have booker information, we have member information, we have transit details and so on, guys. I'm just going to scroll up, and then over here we have the medical kit. I'm just going to click on it, and then we should have all information regarding the medical kit. So over here we have medical kit, order now and so on. So when I click on order now, it should also take us to where we are going to put our US member identification number. So guys, over here we now have what we have what we call the member ID or the soldier ID. So the cool part about this website is that you can actually use this website for different purposes. So guys, here I have a new ID. Over here I'll just go ahead and then click on verify, and it should take me to this member profile. So guys, right now I have a member profile which is being displayed. These are just filled randomly. So I have welcome Prince John, identification number UNI 6943177747, and then over here we have show image of an ID card for this user, and over here we have full name, email address, rank, pay grade, status, member location, about the member. So over here we have leave application. So all you need to do is to come over here to apply for a leave. For this user, we have leave application to US Army Board and so on. Here we have application information, and over here we have soldier information, which can also be called member information. Whatever details you want to use, you can actually change it to those details. And then I'm going to scroll up, and over here we have the care pack. So under the care package, we have a lot of text and so on the care package. So you can go ahead and then edit some of these text if they are too much or you want to modify them and so on, guys. And over here we have a form: beneficiary information, beneficiary full name, beneficiary email, beneficiary country, beneficiary package. And then you go ahead and then click on purchase now. So it says troop pastime package, $500, troop combo package 1,000, and so on, guys. So all these things are packages under the care package. So I'm also going to scroll up, and right here we have the medical kit. Also here we have the book flights. I'm just going to click on book flight, and it should take us to the booker information, whereby we can fill to be able to book flights for this soldier or for this user or for this member. And over here we have contact support. So this is basically the field you're going to fill to be able to reach out to support if you have any query or any information you want to know about. So guys, this is basically how the front end of this peacekeeping website looks like. Go ahead and then visit the admin dashboard and see its features. I'll just go ahead and then remove this, and then go ahead and then type admin. And then over here we have admin access and login here with a translator also. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and then put in my login details. This is my email address and then my password, and then I'll go ahead and click on login, guys. So right now I'm on the admin dashboard, and over here we have customers details, which is customers profile. We have personal ID, we have full name, we have profile pics code, we have ID card, we have email address, and so on, guys. And over here we have all the uploaded images. Right here we have add new personnel. So to be able to add new member, all you just need to do is to come over here. And so guys, this is the user ID which is automatically generated, and over here we have the full name, we have profile pics, we have ID card code, we have email, we have rank, pay grade, location, about the personnel, we have registration dates, either active or suspended. So you can change the status of a member, and then you can go ahead and then click on register. And over here we have edit personal account, and under this edit personal account, all you just need to do is to just scroll and then come over to edit to be able to edit. So all I need to do is to click on this edit and then go ahead and then change whatever details I want to change for this user. And over here we have view bookings, and on this interface, this is where you can see all bookings done by a user or a member. And over here we have view leave requests. This is basically the interface whereby you can view all leave requests from a user. And we have here app ID, app email address, application last name, application email, and so on. And over here we have member country, and then member leave duty, and so on, guys. So over here we have suspend personnel. So under suspend personnel, all you need to do is to select a user account you want to suspend, and then go ahead and then suspend that account. And over here we have add profile picture. So guys, on this interface you can add a profile image for a member, and so on, guys. And over here we have ID card photo. This is basically where you can add your ID card photos, and so on. And lastly, here we have logouts on the admin dashboard. So this is basically how the admin dashboard looks like. So the question is, how do I design an online military or whatsoever US peacekeeping website? I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to build a US military peacekeeping website. I'm just going to go ahead and then log out of this account, and then let's get started. So first of all, you need a domain in hosting. A domain is basically a URL which is uniquely assigned to you, which you can actually give people to be able to access your website worldwide. So you need a domain, and hosting is also very important. You also need a hosting, which is very important. The hosting is where you are actually going to upload your files on the cloud so that people can be able to access your website files wherever they are. So if purchasing a hosting and a domain is expensive for you, I have a video on my channel which shows you how to get a domain and hosting to get your project started for free. So kindly check my channel. You're going to see a video which I showed how to get an hosting and the domain without actually paying a dime. So I'm just going to log out and show you guys how to design a military peacekeeping website, just like what we've just seen. If you know you're enjoying this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video you're watching. I'll go ahead and then log out. And then guys, I'm back to the admin login interface. So I'm just going to go to my hosting provider, and right now I'm on my hosting provider. So to be able to have access to your hosting and so on, all you need to do is to put in your name of your domain / cPanel. Then you have access to your cPanel. Go ahead and then put in your cPanel login details, and you will have access to your files and so on. I'm just going to go back to this cPanel to show you guys how your cPanel interface is going to look like. You're going to have all these features on your cPanel. So since I have a website on my main domain, because I do have a lot of questions, why do I always create subdomains on my video? It's basically because I have a website on my primary domain. So to be able to host another website, I have to host that website on a subdomain. So that is the reason why I'm going to be creating subdomain in this video. I'll just go ahead and then create a subdomain. I'm going to click on these domains and then call this domain us.peacekeeping and so on, guys. I'll go ahead and then click on create a new domain, and over here I'll just call it us. The primary domain, just copy, Ctrl C, and then come over here and then paste, guys. And then I'm just going to make sure you don't check this share document route because you will not be able to find your file. Go ahead and then click on submit, and the subdomain will be created for us. I'm just going to wait for a few seconds while these subdomain files are being done. So it says you successfully created a new us.peacekeeping-un.com domain with the document root of home and so on, guys. I'm just going to come back to my cPanel and then go ahead and then locate the subdomain. So guys, to be able to have access to our subdomain, I'm just going to scroll down and then I'm going to locate file manager, and under file manager I'm going to scroll down. Then we should have our subdomain, which is us.peacekeeping-org-un.com. so whatsoever domain you're purchasing for your hosting, just you can upload it on your primary domain. Then I'm going to open this, and right here I'm going to click on upload, and then I'm going to upload the script which I'm going to be using for this project. All I need to do is to go ahead and then click on select file and then upload the script which I'm going to be using for this project. So guys, here we have the script used for this project which I just uploaded. I'm just going to go ahead and then right click and go ahead and then extract, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and then extract files to this folder. So while we are having our project extracting, I'm just going to go ahead and then create a database for my project. I'm going to come over here. I'll go ahead and then click on database wizard and then go ahead and then create the database. Just call this UN peacekeeping. So my database is the whole of this, and then I'll click on next step. Great, guys, and I'm going to also paste this and then remove this and then paste this as my password, and then also confirm as password again, and then go ahead and then click on create users, guys. So my database has been created successfully. I'll go ahead and then click on all privileges, and then I'll go ahead and then scroll down and then click on make changes, guys, and then it has automatically given my database all privileges to the project. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then upload my database for my project. So I'll go ahead and then come over here and then type PHP my admin, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and then select this and then hit enter, guys, and then it should take me to where my database tables and my database names. So guys, here we have all the database for my project. I'll just go ahead and then select this, and then I'll go ahead and then click on import. To be able to import the database, I'll click on choose file. Great, guys, and then I'm going to scroll down and then click on imports. So the database for this project will be successfully imported. So it says import has successfully finished, 27 queries executed, guys, And then over here we have account, we have admin, we have bookings, we have leave apply. So under admin, I'm just going to click on it. So here we have our database details, guys. So we have the UPass, email, verified count, and so on, guys. So these are our database details for our projects. Then all you need to do is to just go ahead and then insert your database details for your project. So guys, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and then put in these database details we just created to our project, because right now we haven't linked our database yet. I'm just going to come back to this page. Able to connect your database, all you need to do is to come over to the connect folder, and then under the connect folder we have include, and then under include we have connectdb.php, and then we have the db config, guys. I'm just going to right click on the db config and then click on edit, guys, and then I'm going to click on edit to be able to edit the database, guys. And over here we have these details. I'm just going to paste it with the new database details which I have created. I'm going to paste and then also come over here and then paste, guys. And then right here I'm just going to click on save changes to be able to save my database details changes. I'm also going to scroll down to see if there's any other thing I need to change, but nothing else. I'm also going to go ahead and then open this connectdb.php and then click on edit to see if there's any other thing I need to edit on this interface, guys. And over here it's linking it to dbconfig.php, which is basically where we've edited before, so we are good to go. I'm just going to go ahead and then click on close, and then I'm going to go back. I'm going to also go back to also see if there are any other connections I need to do, guys. I'm going to scroll down. We have connect.php. I'm also going to open this and then click on edit, and then go ahead and then click on edit again, and then also paste my database details here, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and then paste my database details, also paste my database details, and then go ahead and then click on save changes, guys. So my database details has been saved, and then I'm going to click on close. So we are good to go, guys. All we need right now is to go ahead and then access our website. I'll go ahead and then copy this subdomain which I created, and then go ahead and then click on a new tab and then type https. Great, guys, and then I'm just going to edit this and then go ahead and then paste my subdomain and then go ahead and then hit enter, guys. So our new project should be up and running, guys. So we have exactly just like what we had seen. We have the logo, KPEG, Google translators, and so on, guys. So let's go ahead and then make some edits to this front end of this website. I'm just going to come back to this page. And then come over to index.html and then come here and then right click, guys, and then I'm going to click on edit. I'm just going to click on edit again. So let's say for instance we want to actually make an edit to this home or to this care pack, or just change it to any other details we want to change it to. All we need to do is to come to this index.html and then scroll down to where we'll find those details, home and so on, guys. And then I'm just going to scroll down. Guys. So here we have the contacts, and this is basically what we have here, the contacts we have here, guys. Great, guys. So over here we have, I'm just going to scroll down. Over here we have the Google Translator which appeared on our website. If you want to change the Google Translator, all you need to do is to go ahead and then remove all this and then change it to whatsoever Google Translator you want to use for your project. I'm going to scroll down, and over here we have our logo, and here we have those details we have on the front end of the website. I just go ahead and then change this to wherever I want to change it, and these changes will automatically reflect on the front end of the website, guys. I'm just going to come over here and then click on this, and then come over here and then type connects, and then under connect we have slash, we have JSP, then slash, we have admin, guys, and then hit enter, guys. This should take us to the admin dashboard, guys. All you need to do is to go ahead and then put in your admin details and you're good to go, guys. So this is basically how to design a US peacekeeping website, guys. If you want to get the script used in this video, kindly check the description of this video. You're going to find a WhatsApp link and also a WhatsApp contact you can reach out to. Go ahead and then chat our customer support. Also, if you want to join my Telegram community, kindly check the description of this video. You also find a link to be able to join my Telegram community, whereby I post latest tips and so on, guys. If you know you enjoyed this video, can you make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you just watched, guys. See you guys in my next video. Keep learning.